How you doing?
Well, welcome to Garage Door Politics, and today we're here to discuss.
It's Saturday.
Yes, it is, Louis.
About
It is Saturday.
About 4:35 in the afternoon,
Yes, it is.
and we are about to discuss now.
Stormy Daniels and
Oh.
Donald Trump, or as the media likes to call it, the porn star and the president.
That's what she is anyhow.
Well,
That's
But the
her
question I have-
official.
the question I have, okay, is there precedence for this? Has anything happened before to other presidents?
I don't remember. I don't recall.
I recall in the 90s.
Do you?
Yes.
Not exactly. Not with Clinton.
Oh, it happened in the White House. I beg to differ.
But no, she wasn't a porn star.
I didn't say that. I didn't
I'm
say
saying.
that. But it was still a
Well, she got
sexual encounter. But Trump's
It's
sexual
different.
well, his happened in 2006. So what does this make it relevant today?
Not to me. I already said that last time. I don't know. As a matter of fact, I sent you an email. The email I got about what Trump has been saying all along. This is a witch hunt. They are after him, and whoever is with him. And it is starting to happen. This morning, I saw this judge that I don't know what state, because I don't remember, who was very forceful against one of the Mueller's lawyers. Because no, he had a feeling that they were trying to do everything just going after Trump.
Well, don't you think they are? Come
Yeah.
on.
They-
Come on. Well, you don't feel it's a witch hunt, or do you think that Trump is not telling all the truth?
Oh, that I know he's not.
Okay.
I keep saying he's a liar, a professional one,
Okay.
and that's what is getting him in trouble. He's just about the professional prostitute. I'm gonna use that word.
Oh,
A little strong.
a little stronger. Okay. Okay.
And Clinton, as far as we know, he never paid Lewinsky because he had sex with her.
But it
We don't
happened
know.
in the White House.
It happened in the White House. Hey, it's a house. Doesn't matter if it's white, black, blue, pink, whatever.
We're talking about things that happened with Donald Trump back in 2006. Now, I'm not defending his lifestyle. I'm not defending his civil matters.
I keep saying
I'm not doing any of that. But what I'm doing right
that's his
now.
wife's problem, not ours.
But the rest of the country needs to wake up to that. That's where
You
I'm
know
at
many
here.
times I am against Mr. Trump. The way he behaves here, what he said, that's another situation. But it's like now, we were talking about this guy on TV that he wants
Oh, is there a TV up there?
Yeah. Not right now. This guy who wants people to sign up because his idea is impeach Trump. Impeach Trump of what?
That's the question I have too. I have no idea. I have no idea what they're
Neither do
doing.
I.
Well, then I believe Donald Trump is correct. It's a witch hunt because everybody's uniform politician slash swamp disciple didn't get elected, and somebody outside that got elected.
But now the problem, is
that's the problem we have.
when he started his campaign, one of the first things he said, "I'm gonna dry out the swamp." The swamp just swallowed him up.
No, it's leaking. The swamp is leaking.
He leaked right up down there.
Yeah, well,
That's
beg to
what's going
differ.
on. The swamp is.
The swamp is
That's right.
scared. The swamp is
They're
scared.
not scared. They're
Yes, they
just
are.
putting him in a situation that
They're trying to do him like an octopus would do.
right.
But Trump is fighting back, and that's all
I
he's
don't
got.
think he will win.
Well, then what are these accusations? Why are people bringing this? Even though his lawyer paid off this woman, okay, didn't use campaign funds, came out of a private account. What is the problem?
I don't see a problem there.
Is she after more money? What's going on here? Fame and
She
fortune?
doesn't want to $130,000. She wants to $130 million.
Oh, you think that's what it is?
That's what it is.
Okay.
Money grabbers. I already said last time, that's what all those women. Did you see? I saw this morning. More women now are coming after Charlie Rose.
Well,
Did you see?
I didn't see it. No, I was busy doing other things
Oh, I got that 5 o'clock in the morning.
in the financial sector. So,
Okay, I understand.
but
So now they are after him. They are starting to go to court for something that they say. Well, I talked to you yesterday about that.
But I have
Now-
a question. Are these founded allegations? Is there proof of these allegations? Is there physical evidence that he done this, or is this, as Judge Judy would say, hearsay?
Greg, none of them, even as I know, the statute of limitation has run out.
Well, that's a gray area, evidently. That's a gray
Now
area.
it is.
It's a gray area. Now it is. It never was before. Even another gray area is lawyer-client privilege. That's getting into a gray area. Before that was.
They're just busting that too.
So that's the problem we have here. They're trying to
What
change
the
the
heck?
country for themselves.
What I have been saying, free society, the way we used to understand and like, is not anymore. We don't have a free society anymore because all those things are happening. They should never happen. You say something like that, prove it. Haven't been in our society.
They won't prove it because they don't have anything.
I know.
All right? That's where
Because-
we're at. But
that blah 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 blah.
But it's character assassination.
They are doing
And
with
the
many
media,
people.
and the media
Those-
is sucking it in.
Right.
So the media is pretty much to blame also, because they're looking for that advertising money, that quick buck, because they're
So
failing.
they can make
They're
the money
failing.
paying off everybody.
Right? They're failing. They're failing.
Well,
But to
that's
this
going to
point,
be the end of our
but
freedom.
this point now,
The society,
the
the
point
way
that we
we
have
know.
now, the point that we have now, does Trump survive?
So far,
So far,
he is.
even though all this impeach talk,
You know, those are the people who have nothing to do in their lives.
oh hell, they ain't got nothing to do in their life except ruin other people's lives.
That's right.
That's all they got to do. That's what we become. Instead of boosting people up, we're pushing people down.
How many guys now? Those women had come and claimed, oh, he did this, he did that.
And some of them
That
might
was
be
40
guilty.
years ago.
They might be guilty, some of them. Weinstein, Harvey Weinstein. Bill Cosby looks like he's pretty guilty because he admitted to it.
Yeah,
So, I mean,
that's the problem. He had admitted.
But there's a lot of them out there too that get caught up in this and don't have anything to do with it. Anything.
The problem is, we men, from beginning of time, by nature, that's what we do. Am I wrong?
But things have started to change.
Because
Before.
now they want
No.
to kill the man,
No,
and they want to take
no,
over.
No. What we have to do is, you get to a certain point in civilization, you got to this plateau, now you have to go up to the next plateau. Okay, we're almost up to the next plateau, but it's a little steeper than the last one we went up, okay? So now we're having little problems here and there.
It's rocky.
It's a little rocky up there. Hard to get a foothold. So that's what we're attempting to do. So
We,
as a society,
no, women,
as a society, that goes hand in hand.
they want to change everything.
No, they don't.
They want to castrate the man.
Not that far. But there's
You're
a
getting
lot
that.
of them. There's
You're
a
getting
lot
that.
of them out there. And a lot at just trying to grab the money in the brass ring. A lot of them. And I think that Stormy Daniels falls right into that category. But yet, she's on 60 Minutes. She's here. She's there.
She's
giving
making a lot of
interviews.
money.
You know, and that's what it is.
She's making a lot of money.
So she falls into the shame category.
That's right.
Go back to your studio in L.A., wherever you make your porn movies, and just go back there.
I don't
Of course,
think
I've seen you lately. You don't look like you'll get a lot of parts.
I don't think nobody wants to hire her
Right.
anymore.
Right. Anyway, so at this point in the show, I've already did my shame, Stormy Daniels. Do you have a shame for the week, Louis? Someone who should be ashamed of themselves.
I don't know.
Somebody? Anybody? You saw Ted Cruz maybe or somebody?
Ashamed. Giuliani.
Oh, go ahead. Shame him. Shame him.
That's how you say.
Shame.
Shame Giuliani.
Rudy Giuliani. Tell us why you're
Now
shaming him. Tell us why.
You get into the team in the warehouse as a lawyer. 2 or 3 days right after, you go to Hannity, which is a very suspicious guy to me. Sorry.
You leave Hannity out of this.
Well, I can't. He was there.
Well, but Hannity
And
brings
Giuliani
everybody on.
started to open his mouth without even talk to Trump. Now, Trump has been saying, which I believe he's lying. Well, I already said it.
How do you know he's lying, Louis?
I don't know. It's a feeling.
Oh, you told me yesterday his lips were moving.
And in between the people, he said a lot of lies.
Oh my God.
Now, okay.
Okay, but finish up on Giuliani.
He should never go in front of the camera and say what he said. First of all, he's working for Trump as president. And he should, before saying what he said, nationwide.
Well, that's what Donald Trump said. He came out and said Giuliani hadn't been briefed on everything yet, and we regret his comments, but
he should talk to Trump before going in front of the camera.
But they got it
Even
straightened
with the
out today.
hand.
They got it straightened out today.
Not much.
Yeah.
The damage, what they have been doing today has been damage control.
Damage control? Okay. Well, now...
But now it's up in the air. Now what's going to come down? Arrows? I don't know.
Well, who knows? Who knows?
Now, I'm gonna sit back. Let's see what's gonna happen now.
Okay. All right. Well, that's a good shame. And
Now, I like Giuliani since when I was living in New York. But I don't think he's doing pretty good at this point. Working for Trump.
well, Louis, he's about as old as you are.
Yeah, he's about my age.
Yeah, I was gonna say
325 years.
at least. I mean, I don't think dirt's that old, but you know, or sand.
I'm 325 and he's 322.
In Noah years, right?
Huh?
Noah years.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Now, that's my shame of the week.
Okay, the shame of the week, and mine was Stormy Daniels. I said earlier that she is just a money grabber, out there just to get the spotlight, try to get everything she can get, and
Hey.
ruin Donald Trump at the same time, and plus make a big payday, and it's already happening, and that's my shame of the week.
But
Big
she's not
time.
She's not
Big
gonna
time.
get the big prize.
Okay, all
I
right,
believe so.
Louis, 2 minutes, You get 2 minutes.
I don't have it.
You don't have nothing? I have nothing
I
either.
already said what I had to say.
Louis spilled his guts tonight. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and see you next week
See you next week.
on Garage Door Politics. All right.